Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue with ChatGPT, access denied. You do not have permission to access openai.com. If this was the issue for you, you can go ahead and first thing you want to do is open up your browser's settings. So for example, if you're using Google Chrome, you're just going to click on the three dots at the top of your browser and you're going to click on settings. Now, once you open the settings, you're going to see all of these tabs. You're going to click on privacy and security. Now you're going to click on third-party cookies. And you will see that see all the site data and permissions. Click right there. And now you want to go ahead and write down ChatGPT or OpenAI. And now you will see this option and you want to go ahead and click delete site data and permissions and delete it. After that, go ahead to your ChatGPT and go ahead and reload the page. Now, you will need to go ahead and log in once again to your ChatGPT and it should work just fine. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.